Congratulations. Okay.
Happy birthday, congratulations on another amazing year.
Thank you so much. Do you want a piece of birthday cake?
Sure, thanks. Guess what? I got 100 on my English test.
Wow, congratulations, you did a good job.
Thanks, Mom. I studied very hard last night.
I'm so proud of you. Let's go celebrate.
I you wish you the first piece or speak contest. Congratulations.
Thank you, I'm very happy.
You did it. All your training really short.